Today, corporations use recruiting apps to hire people with the right skills. These apps save time by segregating notifications and avoiding unwanted information. They allow candidates and recruiters to interact in real time and access information at any time. A positive recruitment experience is crucial, as 63% of job applicants are more likely to decline a job offer if they have had a bad experience. Recruitment software makes it easier for both job seekers and hiring managers. According to Fortune Business Insights, the global recruitment software market is expected to grow at a 7.4% compound annual growth rate through 2025. This growth highlights the increasing reliance on digital tools to streamline the hiring process, making it a smart investment for businesses. Top-quality recruitment apps are data-oriented, helping businesses understand their market better. Many companies aim to hire millennials and Generation Z, who are technologically proficient and sensitive to their needs. By leveraging insights, recruiters can tailor their approach to attract these groups, ensuring a more effective hiring process. Recruitment apps allow access to candidate data from anywhere, making it easier to connect and analyze individuals at your convenience. These apps also facilitate global connections with prospective applicants. With user-friendly dashboards, recruiters can complete a range of tasks from one central app, enhancing the overall efficiency of the hiring process. Traditional hiring involves many tedious tasks that require manual operation. Recruitment apps streamline these tasks, allowing for faster hiring and reduced complexity. By automating communication with stakeholders and hiring staff, these apps increase engagement and productivity, making the recruitment process more efficient and less time-consuming. Recruitment apps enable faster communication between recruiters, candidates, and hiring teams. This encourages job candidates to apply and keeps everyone updated on any changes to their applications. These solutions also improve engagement between HR professionals, clients, and other stakeholders, extending beyond candidate interactions to foster better overall communication. Notifications from recruitment apps remind HR professionals of important events, gatherings, and tasks. By offering customizable push notifications, these apps simplify the job by allowing users to choose which notifications are most important. This feature ensures that HR professionals stay organized and focused on their priorities. The HR sector is highly competitive, making it crucial for recruiters to reach candidates through multiple channels. Recruitment apps allow for social media integration, enabling the HR team to post job opportunities and communicate with candidates via platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn. This broadens the reach and enhances the recruitment process. Despite common misconceptions, recruitment apps can be affordable and provide good value. These resources make it easy for recruiters to post job advertisements, connect with suitable candidates immediately, and get in touch with potential hires. By streamlining these processes, recruitment apps offer a cost-effective solution for businesses. Many recruitment apps offer features like chatbots, email automation, application tracking, and interview scheduling. These tools allow recruiters to focus on screening and selecting the best applicants without worrying about paperwork. Additionally, dashboards in these apps enable efficient data collection from multiple sources, streamlining the screening process and improving overall efficiency.